Yo, what is up guys? This is the perfect opportunity to record my sister working on the mighty Corolla. Today we're going to be restoring the headlights. As you can see, they are slightly faded, slightly oxidized. It's not too bad, which means it's perfect for an off-the-shelf kit like this.
First, we are making sure there's no dirt on the headlights.
Delivery car parts while working on the car. Damn, how do you feel, car girl?
Cool.
It's a big ass knife.
Yeah, I know.
For a big man. This is a tiny knife.
Wiring?
Looks like a reverse camera.
Oh yeah, is it?
Oh,
yeah,
it's a reverse
it's a
camera.
reverse camera. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, well that's for a later date.
Number one.
Excited.
We're using the Turtle Wax Kit Headlight Lens Restorer.
Nice. You can read the package.
Yeah, so we're up to step 2 after cleaning the headlights for no dirt. So this is the lens clarifying compound. We're gonna put it on a cotton cloth and
Rub it
in.
really hard
Yep.
to buff it. Just try and aim for that top bit only, like the, you know, with the hazes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is just with the lens clarifying compound, and already that's cleared up a lot of the oxidization we had. As you can see, compared to this headlight, it's a lot foggier, a lot yellower. This is already looking better. There's definitely still some steps to go, but we'll assess it after we've done the whole headlight and rubbed away all of the compound.
So, step 2A, apply a spray lubricant to the green polishing pad number 1, which you'll have. Begin rubbing pad number 1 using firm pressure and a back and forth motion over the lens until much of the oxidation is removed. Use a spray lubricant as necessary to keep the lens pad wet. Flip to the tan side of the polishing pad, number 2. Rub back and forth in the opposite direction, 90 degrees on the green pad 1. So pretty much, yeah. So use number 1 and go like this.
Yeah.
With the, and then number 2, go up and down.
Yeah.
Alright, we're now 2 pads down. We're moving on to pad number 3 and 4.
Using the teal side, number 3 of the second pad, repeat process in opposite direction of previous pad.
And this is up and down.
Pad number 4. Just drying the headlight off before applying the compound to hopefully buff these microscopic scratches out. As you can see, the headlight on the right has had the turtle wax technique applied to it. The one on the left is still very yellow and hazy.
Do you want to help out for this, sir?
Beautiful indeed.
Beautiful, look at that.
Yeah.
Awesome. It looks like a brand new car now. Getting rid of that yellow oxidization from headlights makes such a big difference to the appearance of the car overall. So well done, Ark. It's huge. I think that was a good step forward. But we've got plenty more mods planned. As you guys saw, we already got something delivered through the mail. So onwards and upwards.
You say you got them guns, but I've never seen you bang.